Deep Rock Galactic. You know, the dwarf mining game? Yeah, I'm gonna be playing that with my friend Nathan. I haven't played this game much, so you're gonna see me play horribly, but it should be a fun video. See you there, bye! Alright, let's do this. Screw that thing.
Egg collection time, team. Alien eggs. The company wants them. Don't ask why. Find them, stow them in Molly, and return.
Oh, you got red flares. I got green.
Yeah, because you're the gunner.
Okay,
Think it's...
there's an egg over here. Egg thing.
Did you know you can pet loot bugs?
You can hide them?
Yeah, you on it.
Oh, those things are eggs. I see, okay. This is... Oh, I can't pet these.
I die a little inside every time I have to take out a loot bug.
What? That's Michael, you stay with him.
Huh? Kill the little ones. Kill the kids.
I'm shoving him down here. He's gonna fall.
Get him.
There he's at.
Jump.
Loot bug eliminated!
I got gold.
Yeah. Me too.
Alright, let's go
Loot bug.
over here.
What's this? You're cute.
This might be the area. It looks like it.
Oh, maybe you
Oh,
should...
that is not the area. Oh!
What did you do?
That's a hive!
You oh, that is a hive. That very much is a hive.
Run!
You activated a hive.
I didn't even know that was a hive. We're playing on extreme.
Well, neither did I. We're on extreme.
Yeah.
Oh,
What if I hit it?
man, orange level 2.
Oh
I
man.
wouldn't.
Oh no, everything's dead in there.
Okay. If you hit tab, you can see like the map.
Yeah, the eggs are over here. Let's go over
Yeah.
here.
You want some red sugar to help you?
I think. No, not that.
Oh no! This means you can mine through this. The dirt
No,
means
I
you
mean
mine.
the red crystal. I thought it was a healing crystal.
Why did you say like
We need to
dirt?
dig here.
Dirt.
The way ahead is
We might need to
blocked.
dig down.
The tunnel is blocked. Dig
Yeah,
here.
we gotta dig down.
Loose dirt over here. I think we need to dig here.
Okay.
It's blocked.
We get it.
It's blocked.
We get it.
I think we need to dig here.
Alright.
We get murdered. Oh, this egg. Well, also it looks one. Hold on, before we do that, let's get some nitro.
I
On
call
mold.
you.
I'm gonna start mining.
Yeah, this place does have the egg. Oh, it's here. The C to your right, I think. Above you. Top right.
Yeah, above. Okay.
Yeah, it's like glows.
I'm for eggs.
Pulse.
Donkey, come here.
And might as well here for you to deposit.
Oh wait, it's above. Oh, this is. Found it. Oh,
Yay! I'm going to set up a little defense.
One sentry gun ready.
Nope, they're coming through the wall. That is
What do I
what
do
is.
with this thing?
Put in the mule.
Oh, I did it.
The-
The mule
Yeah.
is fucking away!
I need the mule right here.
It is not dying.
It's
I am in
fucking
danger.
away! I can't get through!
Where is that dead?
I am hurt. Ow.
Party one down.
Hey, you killed it.
Oh, that's pretty
but-
good.
Yep, they're gassing us.
Watch and learn.
Holy.
Nice and oily.
That was a plant. Alien eggs over here. We gotta go much.
Oh, there's, like,
Ooh,
two
that's
of them.
not good. This is a hive.
Oh, don't interact.
Oh!
Oh, what is happening? That's.
I don't think, as long as I don't think, oh, we got more coming.
Boom, baby.
There's more.
No, I
Yeah,
think.
they're coming through. That wasn't a lot of them in there. What if I throw a flare?
Nope, there's more. I can hear them. Put it down. That's what is.
What in the... That looks like something out of Half-Life.
Got another one.
Oh, wait.
Oh, another one. Oh, woolly thingy. You mean.
Watch out.
And they're coming.
Here, get into cover.
Oh, that's a lot of them. Oh,
You can pickaxe him to death.
the mule!
Keep talking again.
I didn't do it.
Oh, there's more.
Actually,
There's a lot more.
I did not even think about what I was shooting. I just shot a little below.
Meet your maker, creep!
Shield charged and
Oh, we
ready.
got Holomite. I'm gonna mine this, you cover.
I'm gonna get the nitro. I'm healing a big something
down
big.
here.
Yeah, I see it. I see it.
Oh,
Is this it?
go around, flank him.
It's not that big.
You gotta flank
Yo,
him. No,
we're fine.
that's pretty big. Shoot
What
their
a
abdomen.
jaw-dropping experience!
Got it.
Lift it, stick
Another one
tail
over here.
down!
That one sounds. I got grabbed by another one.
It's a fly. No, that one's just on the wall.
I'm feeling poetic today.
They can't fly.
Let's keep on shooting. There we go. Run out of ammo here, Hayden.
Here. This is why I've been getting nitro. Here, Colin is man. Supply drop.
Oh,
Supply pod launched. Better stand back.
If you have 80 nitro, you hit 5, you can call in a resupply. That's why I've been focusing on gathering this. We have nitro now. Oh, another one.
Oh, they got me.
Stick tail, stand! Go ahead and unwedge your
Ammo's over there. Oh, I have 1 mag left. I gotta take
Ready
some.
to kill
I got
some more
900
creeps.
bullets. That's not a lot for a minigun. Alright, let's keep going through here.
And we still have 2 more stuff if need it.
Is there still Holomite down here? Or is there still Holomite in this area? Oh, yes, there is.
Maybe. Alright, I'll call the mule.
Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all day.
No, not might thing.
Found some holomite.
Nice. I found more gold. No, that's nitro.
Calling mule.
Oh, that's a big boy.
Oh,
Oh, he's dead.
God, get behind it. Has a weak point on his back.
Here they are.
I thought the mule was a, I thought the mule was a an enemy. I got scared. Alright, we got 58 nitro.
Yeah.
It's blocking. I'm not seeing any eggs for the. But actually, no, we
Over
can
here.
keep. I'm gonna go. Alright, following
see
you
him.
then.
Oh, I almost fell. There's a big egg.
There is an egg here.
Organic
Yeah, you're right.
matter.
Like,
We nearly missed this thing. There's 2.
Over here by the marker point.
didn't know it was like that close. Oh, can't I? No, I
Oh,
can't.
there's a ramp over here.
No, I can do that. I can build stuff for you. Look at this.
Is it oh. I think I have something like
Where you
I
at?
have this thing.
Oh, you have the zip line?
Yeah. Let me try to use it.
I got the deposit.
Actually, it's kind of hard to use this on flat surface.
I made a platform.
Access provided.
I'm gonna get this egg. We should probably get one at a time so we don't get an entire group at us all at once.
There's a lot of organic material here. Oh, I fell.
Nope, got the egg. Oh, I got the egg. Wasn't expecting
I
it to pop out.
Could need a new canister. Getting tired of
Alright,
this
get the
old
mule.
let's see.
Let's see.
It's assembling.
Multiple meteors detected.
Meteors.
Probable impact
Meteors?
locations are being calculated.
Never heard of. Oh, that's a
Don't
big
let those stumpy legs to use, team.
I see what they mean now. Okay. Should probably get on.
I'm not in it.
That's a big one.
Do not get on something. Get away from the zone. That's what you need to do.
Jesus.
Oh god, the
I missed
vibrations.
the jump. Where am I? There's explosions everywhere.
That's why. That's my
I
fault.
keep on pressing R like I'm reloading. You can't reload.
Maybe not for you with the minigun, but I can.
There's gonna be gas right there, so watch out.
Yeah, trying to.
I got yeast cones. Woo! Oh, that's a nest. Okay. I'm gonna try to sneak my way past that.
I'm gonna go with the meteorite. Ow, I gotta
Egg?
heal.
Or a meteor.
The meteorite has stuff inside of it.
Really? I never seen a meteorite.
This way here.
Want something?
So how do we get meteorites down here?
If we move all the hot blocks so we don't burn our legs and die.
Oh.
Ouch.
No, I mean, as in, how does this... I would... Like, does it fall all the
Nothing.
way from the top?
Yeah, the planet up.
Uh,
Got 'em.
oh, hello.
This planet we have has can do a shadow lead. Shit, the one's on the left, that one's stronger.
Tail. This one coming up on me.
Oh, I'm down.
The stingtail's dead.
Oh, I actually blew my mouse. I got you. Here, have some water.
Thank you. Oh, that's a bad.
Oh! An oppressor.
What is happening? Oh, that's what's happening.
Throw a grenade at it.
Watch out!
I don't remember the grenade button. I figured it out. Mine's Bill Mouse. I guess. GN.
I just fell. Oh, ow.
Nice and old.
I've got this back.
Oh, I found another meteorite. I'm mining.
Guy killed it.
Very good. Yeah, I'm at the meteorite right now.
Nice, nice.
Ollie!
I'm gonna try to get to it without hurting myself.
Oh, I smell bacon.
Yeah, I'm getting burnt right now. What is
Secondary
that?
objective completed. Make it home to collect your bonus.
What is this thing?
What?
I got a grub.
Isn't that a bug?
This thing's making me feel
Oh.
some type of way.
Yeah, no, you gotta drop that otherwise it'll literally try to find you. You'll
Red
find it.
sugar.
What is this?
It will literally try to kill you. It's. You wanna see? Here.
No, I don't. Ooh, health. Oh, you might need that.
No, I'm gonna go get from that thing over there.
You should probably put that away.
Why? It's friendly.
Doesn't look friendly.
Why?
Looks like something that would embed itself into your brain.
Much better.
I mean, it's not hadn't done anything to me yet.
I'm covered in rock
Oh!
pots.
Oh
Yep.
no. Okay, I'm putting
I
this
put in-
can-
Molly, my most
okay.
trusted
Yeah, right in there.
mule.
Yeah. You
Also,
did.
look at it. Look the thing inside of it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's fun. Interest.
Never mind. There's a. Oh! Hello.
Oh, holy! That's what I'm calling. Hi there, guy. That.
Booyah!
More. Oh, you grabbed me. Ow.
The wolf was back.
Oh, my
Join
gun
it.
overheated.
Dead.
I need assistance.
Don't get over here.
Minigun, I think.
Got it. You just stab it.
Got it.
Oh, right. There we go. Oh, hi, mommy.
That's a mule.
I don't.
Zip line. Done.
Oh. Oh, nice. Fine.
Not very fast, but you know.
I mean, going down too fast.
Whew.
Oh, I see more of the Holomite. Gonna go for it.
You go for that. I will. Actually, no. We're all
Where is
good on
that
Hollow
damn
Knight.
tin
There's. No
Oh, we
more,
got enough.
There's no more eggs in this.
We have
area.
enough Holomite now. No, way over there.
can? See here.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Down it
Yeah,
goes.
like, get over there safely. There we go.
I'm buying. You buy it now.
You like that that one siege operator that
I'm hearing noise.
Oh, I see. That's a nest.
Oh, coming up. Oh, I can't get up there. Actually.
I got a minigun. I'm on good.
Yeah,
Pest
so
control.
it's just.
Buy yourself a
It's literally,
minigun.
you're literally fighting children. It's.
Children versus the minigun. Who will win?
Children versus the miniguns will win. I would sure love to see that.
I need to mine through an entire rock in order to get to this bridge area.
Oh, I called for Molly.
Whoops, that was not the right button.
You need Molly? I'm gonna call for it.
Molly stayed right where she is.
I'm going.
Damn line cut on that. Where is it?
Alright, I'm here.
Hello, grab me some gold.
Die, worthless crystal.
Worthless crystal.
I really can't use this for anything.
Alright, get an egg.
Alright, I'm almost here.
Yeah, I found that egg. Once I hit
you
it,
did?
I'm gonna activate.
Oh, Oh, you
I don't.
found
It's
that egg.
it's still in, but wait, you after another one?
I'm going-
Oh, you after that one?
I thought you were going after the one up here for some reason.
Yeah, I didn't even realize that there was one up there.
All right, I'll grab this egg first, so that because this one's a little inconvenient to get.
Sentry gun needs assembling.
Sure, building some central.
All right, I'm putting the egg in there. Ugh. I broke my leg, but I'm all right. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Oh,
We're not good.
poison him.
We're not good. Oh,
Ow, I can't really do much
I
here.
got you.
I made out. Look my health. Look my health.
Yeah, I actually threw a grenade. No, I didn't accidentally. I tried to kill the thing, but I didn't think the grenade would hurt you that much.
That's you were doing.
Alright, we got a few
I think
eggs.
that was done.
Alright, one more.
Molly carries
That's the last egg.
and we shoot bugs in mine. Dwarf
I'm getting the last egg.
Alright, good luck.
But I should probably still just
Challenges lit up in the
sprinting.
We got a swarm
Get in
incoming.
there.
Oh no, you.
Egg collection completed.
Alright, we need to
Well
leave.
done.
I just fell down a hole. No, it's a molten hole. We need to go.
Go to the-
We need to go.
I think we should defend ourselves first.
Wait, we have to defend?
Contact. Lock and load.
Yeah, do you not hear what I'm saying?
Crap.
That's-
I only played the first one. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh,
Yeah,
he
but
grabbed me.
he's so...
I'm all the way over here now. Ugh, going back. He flung me all the way over there. There's multiple. Oh, I got grabbed again.
Oh, my power thing. Oh, I didn't have my power attack thing. I'm down, by the way.
Oh, I threw a grenade. That was way too close. Oh, my gun is still not overheating. Oh, my gun is still overheating. I'm about to die.
Yeah, no, you need to run, I think. Just run for your shield. We got close, though.
Diminished. Well done, team.
Well done.
Well done, team. The story spread out. We're like dead on the floor. You did more. You go for legendary. Oh my god! What happened to you? I'm limping over here. You just dropped.
Oh!
Alright, team, you're going after eggs this time.
What is happening?
Can't miss them. The bigger
Alright,
they
it's
grow.
dead.
Get the eggs to Storm and Molly and get back alive.
Okay, this
Rock and stone. Ollie, over the beard.
Now let's get the
looks
nitro.
like I think this is an egg.
Ah, hi friend. What is that? No, it's just the drone.
You thought that was
Never mind.
like a end
It
game.
looked
final
like- it
boss
looked-
coming after us.
Yes, it looked like a Leviathan, like some kind of Leviathan, like, you know the mod for Smaka?
Yep. This is my egg.
This is my egg.
Egg is
Next
in there.
time, let's go somewhere nice.
We have to
And
collect a lot
enemies
of-
left.
Oh, they're above us.
Yep. Oh, I probably should have built defenses for doing that. Why'd they have to you?
I don't know.
Do they want?
Oh, that's an armor.
The blue bug has a lot of gold. Also, something hit me. Something exploded, and I'm very injured
Oh,
now.
I threw a
I'm at
grenade.
half. What, me? Why?
No, I didn't mean to. I was throwing it at the hoarder.
Time to
What was that? Did you throw another grenade?
No, okay,
What
that was
happened?
then. Oh, there's explosive bugs. I thought you knew that.
I didn't.
There's explosive bugs down here.
I saw to the gunner. I see
coming.
you wanting it on the. Why do you sway like
you.
that?
I'm full. Heading to the mule.
Here, have some water.
Oh, thank you, thank you. I love being resurrected.
Alright.
What is that? Oh, that's exploding.
Huh?
It's close. Yeah, I forgot about that one. I only see them in
Oh,
films.
I actually just. Okay. Well, the egg is mine now.
The egg is mine now. Oh, I
My
got it.
precious! How do you call the
I
mule?
got the deposit.
Yeah, why they? That's like another one. That,
Oh! Someone grab me!
Die, creep.
that poison guy on me.
Kinda getting jumped. Alright, I'm gonna put the egg in there. Alright, egg is
Well, I
deposited.
think we actually have a chance to make it out
Good
of
job. Matt, I unlocked the egg, like so we just have to
That's a
grab
big
it.
one.
Oh wait, time
I
to.
can't jump up. Oh, that's a oh, what is that? It's a cave leech.
That was a cave leech.
It tried to grab me.
This.
Oh, it's a big one. And I'm gonna run out of ammo here.
Get behind something.
Killed it.
Smell. It lingers.
Oh, there's another one. I threw a grenade right on it. He's running. We got babies coming in.
Yep. Well, that's a poison exploding.
That will teach you.
Do we have enough for ammo?
No, I think we need 80. We have 56.
Okay.
I found a lot of bolo caps. Oh, I found an egg thing.
No, not yet.
Not yet, not yet. You need ammo. I get it. I understand.
I'm gonna summon the entire horde onto me. Wow.
You're like completely terrified cat.
Wally is
It's
on
like,
the
no,
way.
please. Please, not yet. I beg of you. Not yet.
Set those up in the beginning.
Oh, that's what you mean. I thought you meant the turrets.
Yeah, turrets and
Also, we got a poison. I'll let you do this since I don't. Actually, no, I can also play.
I can't really hit it. Now I can. Oh, we got Menace. That's literally what it's called. He went into the wall.
Oh yeah.
Bad enough alive.
What the heck?
Kill it before it hides.
Menace eliminated.
Before it hides? Doesn't mean it
burrows
attacks in
itself
one's
in the
way.
wall. Alright, let's
I
go.
have never seen that thing before.
Ready?
Yep. Hold on, let me just kind of build some platform.
Platforms placed.
Shouldn't I build my thing first before you do that?
Yeah, sure.
My, the weapon.
I'll
One
just start
sensor
mining.
gun ready to
till
be
I
built.
find it. Okay, found it.
Alright, I'll call Molly behind you.
Go get him, boy. Just take your sweet time, old lady. I've got all day.
Breaks over, miners. Swarm headed directly for you.
Alright, putting the egg in.
Armed and ready.
All eggs collected. Management will be pleased.
Oh, we could just hit that still one away.
Is activated.
It's not the safest of ideas, though.
Yeah, I think we should hold out here.
Yeah.
Swarm,
the final
big one,
stand.
team.
Like, it's over there.
If things get hairy, we should probably run.
Oh, got your weights.
Explosives.
No more stingtail.
The music kicking in. This is why I remind this game. This game reminds me of Payday.
Yeah, I know. Get out of here!
I got the bundle fly.
There's children. Oh, big one.
Ow, I'm getting jumped. I'm getting jumped by all of them. How do you run?
Watch out! I'm gonna kill you all.
We got another
Ah,
poison.
they're
vessel.
pushing me down. The gas. I can't get through. Okay, I'm
Oh.
back.
Oh wait, that's an oppressor. That's not just the poison one. That's the one with the lock abilities.
Yeah, he's got the thing on the. He's very bad. Very bad. Top part of the dragon.
We
Yeah, he's
got
down.
the oppressor.
Should we just run? Is that a... No,
What?
we can't. The mule would be moving by now. No, the
I
button!
can call the meal. Yeah, I called meal. I called meal. I can't really help you. I can't check that.
Alright,
Oh, I'm
call
out of
that
ammo?
thing.
No, hold on. We killed them all, I think. Hold on, I'm gonna get ammo before calling it.
Alright.
Ammo and health.
Getting more ammo.
Yeah, then you take the health from there.
Red sugar over here. Deep Rock seriously need to invest in some better equipment.
Do we have any more ammo? Nope. We out.
Nah, you took it all.
Something about to call me out like that.
It's
Alright.
not an insult.
Smooth as always, team. Drop pod is on the
Follow
way.
the damn thing.
Follow the mule.
Oh,
I don't know what she got there.
Ready to be built.
we should just probably move to it. I think the mule would probably catch up.
Yeah.
We can just
Yeah, I
always
can do this.
haul it.
One left. Ready to use.
Drop pod has arrived. The mule's
Oh,
been
that's
called
what.
back.
Got it. We just had to
Drop
wait.
pod
Alright, let's
departing
go.
in T-minus 5 minutes.
Access provided.
I shouldn't do that.
Oh!
Coming. Oh, you getting chased by a whole.
Ah!
Killed a couple of them that was on you. Platform. So.
We better hurry.
Gotta go, man. I'm getting chased
Mule
down.
secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will
Over
leave
here.
with or without you.
Oh no, we didn't get all the bullet caps.
fine.
I found one.
Hurry up.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Come on, bro.
I just gotta make my way around. I could go. Wait, bullet cap.
Yes, the last one.
What up?
Extract
Gotta pause it.
Secondary objective completed. Now finish the job.
Alright, let's get in.
Get in.
Unless we wanna go. What's that thing?
This one thing.
Barley Bob, over here.
Should probably
Blue
not go with
ingredient. I mean, I got 3 minutes. While a giant swarm's gonna come, I'm gonna have to run away.
that.
I hear noises. I hear noises.
Oh!
Just go away. I'm sorry. I'll go in. My fault. My fault. My bad.
Jesus. Get in.
Good work.
Oh my
Back
So, do you think you're gonna get a suit now, or
Nah,
you like
dude.
this patient? That's okay.
I'm good. I did this in my gown.
Quick skin survivor hazard level 4 mission from start to finish.
Yeah, look at me.
Look at you walking up.
Look at me. I did this. Since this video is already getting long enough, I'm gonna just give you a short summary of what happened during the third mission.
Like a Goomba. Yeah.
Come on, guys.
Yeah, that's how you
We're
do it.
lit.
and clear. Pump jack inbound.
The children are following me. Kill them.
Okay.
Bomber.
Where? There we go.
What is that thing?
Pump jack's here.
Pump jack.
Let's get
Pump
it hooked
jack.
up to the
big one.
refinery.
He's dead. Woo!
Oh, I think you have to attach the refinery itself to the pump jack. Not the pump jack, the refinery. We got a guy there.
There's a well here.
Got a pump jack.
Pump jack launch.
Oh, that's a big one.
Stay clear from the impact zone.
Kill the spread. Exactly.
Die, you loot.
Oh, I see. Okay, I got it. Okay, I think I might have gotten it.
Oh, I'm building a pipeline.
Me too. My add a second.
Pipe segment up.
Oh, you can grind on the pipes.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
No way.
Pipe placed.
These pipes really don't have much room.
Tentacle
Oh!
away.
You
The
can grab.
leech!
Do you
Getting
need help?
killed! Yes, I do.
Okay, coming. Oh no.
I think I might.
I
be
thought you
dead.
would wiggle out.
No, you
I
can't.
can revive you. That's it. It's cave
Please
reach.
hurry!
It's gone. I completely destroyed it.
My body. Pour some water on me.
Yeah, have a snack.
Thank you. A snack. It's a drink.
I mean, it's tomato, tomato.
Oh god, do that behind me. Thank you. Alright.
I'm gonna start building my pipeline because I connected it.
I almost got mine finished. I didn't see the indicator, it just kind of grabbed me.
What happened?
5 on me. They're jumping me. They're jumping me.
You are okay.
Ugly son of a bitch!
Wait, he's gonna poison your body. Get out. The loot punks are killing me, right?
Pump check connected and ready to pump.
Alright, anyways, there's a swarm coming and oh, there's the swarm.
Oh, the final boss.
Ready to shoot.
What? It's a presser.
Yep, the final boss is here.
I'm thinking by you.
Oh, I got
Yes.
I didn't know that one was right next to me.
I didn't realize you walked to it.
I didn't see it. He's emoting.
There's a bomb
There's a
thing
fire!
here. Ah. I'm out of any time.
Run! There's 2.
There is. So okay, just move, just grind on the thing, grind on the
Right.
rails.
I need to run. I know. I'm
Oh,
getting
God.
jumped.
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die.
The
I am
oppressor
going-
was killing me. No.
I need to find a health thing. What was that?
No.
Wave team.
I just got like spat at by some.
Yeah, you
Oh, that
saw
thing!
here.
That thing! I thought that I wasn't looking fully up.
Rest in peace. No.
Oh, we got jumped. Where am I?
Don't make me fall from the goddamn.
Oh.
And that's the video. Make sure to like the video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.